In this video, I'll demonstrate how to automatically populate the fields of a Contact Form 7 form using information stored in a Google Sheets document. By leveraging Google Sheets for data storage, your form automatically stays up to date. Just modify the document, and there's no need to adjust the form itself. To illustrate the process, I'll create a document with a fictitious list of customers. This document is then read by a Contact Form 7 form to populate a drop-down menu field. Once the user selects an option, the form automatically fills in the corresponding email and telephone fields with the customer's data. The first step is to publish your Google Sheets document in CSV format. To do this, navigate to the Share submenu within the File menu and select the Publish to Web option. Once you publish the document, a URL is generated specifically for the CSV version. Copy this URL, and you're ready to proceed with filling in the form fields using the data from Google Sheets. In the contact form, we'll insert a record set field. This field will be configured to fetch and read the data from the Google Sheets document using the CSV URL we copied in the previous step. And finally, we'll insert the record set field link fields. These fields will connect the record set field to the other fields in the form, ensuring that the selected data is correctly applied across the contact form. In summary, we've created a form that is dynamically fed by the data stored in a Google Sheets document. Let's see it in action. Before concluding, let me demonstrate how effortless it is to update the form. Simply add a new client to your Google Sheets document, and when you refresh the form in your browser, you'll see that the customer list is automatically updated.